Welcome, little ones, to the world of colorful vehicles. Today, we'll be exploring some special vehicles and learning more about colors, too. First, these are excavators with many colors: yellow, blue, green, red. Lots of colors, right? What does an excavator do? It digs up dirt, sand, rocks to build houses, roads, and other things. Excavators are strong and can lift big, heavy chunks of dirt. Would you like to drive an excavator, little ones? Next came the bulldozers. Yellow, blue, green, and red bulldozers are lining up to do their job. Bulldozers are used in road construction. They are very strong. Do you like them? Dump trucks have the function of transporting soil, rocks, sand. For that construction, kids, don't they look cool? Look, the forklifts are coming. Where are they going? Oh, so they were lining up to go to work. Do kids like forklifts? Finally, what kind of vehicles will the kids see? Wow, they are concrete mixer trucks. They are carrying concrete buckets to the construction site, kids. Aren't they amazing? So we've explored all these colorful vehicles. Do you remember all the different types of vehicles and their colors? Let's play a game and guess which vehicle is what color. Have fun learning, little ones. See you in the next video. Goodbye.